Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand on the precipice of the highly anticipated India vs New Zealand Test Series 2024, excitement and anticipation are palpable. This series is not merely a contest between two cricketing powerhouses, but a celebration of the sport's spirit, talent, and enduring legacy. Let's delve into the squads that will grace the field, each player bringing their unique flair and skill to this grand stage. First, let's meet the Indian squad, a blend of seasoned campaigners and promising young talent, ready to shine under the leadership of Rohit Sharma. Captain Rohit Sharma. Rohit's leadership and aggressive batting style have been pivotal for India. His ability to anchor an innings and shift gears seamlessly makes him a formidable captain. Vice-captain Jasprit Bumrah, known for his lethal pace and pinpoint accuracy. Bumrah's role as vice-captain adds a layer of tactical brilliance to the team's dynamics. His knack for breaking partnerships is invaluable. Yashasvi Jaiswal, a young, dynamic batsman. Jaiswal's aggressive style promises to keep the scoreboard ticking. His fearless approach is a breath of fresh air. Shubman Gill, elegance personified. Gill's technique and calm demeanor at the crease are crucial for building solid foundations. Virat Kohli, a legend of modern cricket. Kohli's masterful batting and fierce competitiveness remain central to India's fortunes. Rahul's versatility allows him to adapt to various roles, providing stability and aggression as the situation demands. Sarfaraz Khan, known for his resilience and run-scoring ability. Sarfaraz's contributions in the middle order will be critical. Rishabh Pant, wicket-keeper. Pant's explosive batting and acrobatic wicket-keeping make him a game-changer. His ability to turn matches on their head with his fearless play is unmatched. Dhruv Jewel, wicket-keeper, adding depth in the wicket-keeping department. Jewel's proficiency both behind the stumps and with the bat is a valuable asset. Ravichandran Ashwin. Ashwin's experience and tactical acumen make him a key figure in the spin department. His ability to outthink batsmen is legendary. Ravindra Jadeja. Jadeja's all-round capabilities bring balance to the team. His sharp fielding, effective spin, and lower-order batting are crucial. Akshar Patel. Akshar's left-arm spin and handy batting add variety and depth to the lineup. Kuldeep Yadav with his wrist spin. Kuldeep adds a different dimension to India's bowling attack, capable of unsettling the best of batsmen. Mohammad Siraj. Siraj's pace and aggression make him a valuable asset, especially with the new ball. His ability to bowl long spells with intensity is commendable. Akashdeep, bringing raw pace and enthusiasm. Akash is a promising talent aiming to make a mark. Now, let's turn our attention to the New Zealand squad, a team known for its resilience, discipline, and fighting spirit. Under the steady leadership of Tom Latham, they are ready to take on the challenge. Captain Tom Latham. Latham's calm and composed leadership, coupled with his solid opening batting, provides a steady start for the Kiwis. Tom Blundell, wicket-keeper, an experienced campaigner. Blundell's skills with the gloves and the bat are crucial for New Zealand's plans. Michael Bracewell, first test only. Bracewell's all-round abilities make him a versatile player, ready to contribute in both departments. Mark Chapman, a reliable batsman. Chapman's ability to play long innings adds strength to the middle order. Devon Conway. Conway's consistency at the top of the order is key for New Zealand, providing stability and momentum. Matt Henry. Henry's pace and ability to swing the ball make him a potent threat with the new ball. Daryl Mitchell. Mitchell's all-round capabilities bring balance, whether it's stabilizing the innings or breaking partnerships with his medium pace. Will O'Rourke, a promising talent. O'Rourke's inclusion brings fresh energy and potential to the squad. Ajaz Patel. Patel's left-arm spin and ability to exploit conditions make him a crucial part of the bowling attack. Glenn Phillips. Phillips' dynamic batting and off-spin bowling add versatility to the team. Richie Ravindra. Ravindra's all-round skills, both with the bat and ball, provide depth and options for the team. Mitchell Santner. Santner's left-arm spin and reliable batting make him a cornerstone in the New Zealand lineup. Ben Sears. Sears' pace and aggression offer a fresh dimension to the bowling attack. Ish Sodhi, second and third test only. Sodhi's leg spin and variations can be game-changing, particularly in turning conditions. Tim Southee. The seasoned pacer, Southee's experience and knack for taking crucial wickets will be vital. Kane Williamson's class and elegance with the bat make him a standout player. His ability to anchor the innings and build partnerships is unparalleled. Will Young's solid technique and temperament at the top of the order are key to providing strong starts. As we eagerly await the start of this series, let us celebrate the spirit of cricket that unites us all. This series is not just about runs, wickets, and catches. It's a celebration of sportsmanship, resilience, and the joy of the game. Every run scored, every wicket taken, and every moment of brilliance will be a testament to the dedication and passion of these remarkable athletes. Let us cheer for our heroes, support our teams, and revel in the magic of cricket. Let the games begin, and may the best team triumph. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos please like, share, and subscribe.